Oh Jesus, chase them away, chase them. Every Peter Nwachukwu, chase them. Every choose Kwili, chase them. Every Chidimojuku, chase them away, chase them. Chase them away, chase them. Chase them away, chase them. Every Peter Nwachukwu, chase them. Every Peter Nwachukwu, chase them. Every choose Kwili, chase them. Every Chidimojuku, chase them. Every Clifford Oji, chase them away, chase them away, chase them. Brother is asking for an advice, needs our advice, and I'm going to be giving him my advice. Praise the Lord. He said he was married to his wife and the wife was pregnant. He didn't state categorically whether the pregnancy was the first pregnancy, but I assume it's the first pregnancy from the way he explained it. So the wife was pregnant and she did something. Then him as the husband sent the wife packing, sent her back to her parents' place, and he sent the wife, the pregnant wife, back to his parents. And he now heard that the wife had delivered. And in short, his anger now was that when he returned the lady back to the parents, they didn't consult him. Now the lady had given birth and the parents went and dedicated the baby in the church without even telling him. And finally they, without even telling him, then later they sent for him to come and collect his bride price. So, and he said he wants to sue the family. So, and he needs our counsel, he needs our advice. I'm going to give it straight to you. Yeah, you see, this thing that they are saying is very quick to say that wife, they used to wife material, the word wife material is common than husband material. I'm going to give you my advice straight away. I'll give it to you straight away. You see, when they say that you are not a husband material guy, yeah, you are not a husband material. The same way some women are not wife material, that is how some men are not husband material. Because no matter what your wife did to you, I see no reason why you will send her back home, a pregnant woman. Do you know what pregnancy is all about? Then you even waited till she gave birth, and is when they have dedicated the child that you are angry. What do you expect the parents to do before to clap hand for you? You see, this is why the reason why some girls, some women die in marriage, because they do not have good support system in the sense that if the marriage crashes, nobody in their family is going to support them. It's not going to give them any form of emotional support. Rather, some families, most families, will take side with the husband and they will almost want to kill the woman. But I really commend this family, because in this case now it wasn't like that. They accepted their daughter back, took care of her, and sent for the man to come and collect his diary. You understand? So many of you have this notion that a woman is a slave. What did she do to you, if I may ask? What exactly did she do to you? Do you know what pregnancy is? What pregnancy, if a woman to carry pregnancy, you think say na moi, because in Africa they don't too much give una butter, put butter and sugar for una mouth. Say when a woman finishes carrying the pregnancy, you now come and claim that you are the una society or culture, they will say that the child belongs to the man. I think it's that mentality that this person is coming with. Some of you are so demonic, so wicked. You understand? When you see some women be like, abeg, I don't want marry, I want die on my own, you will not blame them because of a lot of things. Just tell me, how do you want? I don't know what's the kind of what the advice now you want me to tell you that you should go ahead and sue the family. Sue them for what? Where were you when your wife stayed with the parents and gave birth to the child? What were you expecting them to do before? To push her to the streets? Now that you drove her away, they should also drive her also. I don't get you. You see, some of you men are so wicked that you are so insensitive. One single, you are not even a cloth material, not to talk of husband material. You get me? You sent her away so that what will happen? so that they will come and clap for you. You know, all this our nonsensical behavior, all this our nonsensical behavior that we have, you sent her away so that the family can, the parents can clap for you that you did well. You are not a husband material. You are not a husband material. So for me, the parents did well. The only advice I would advise you is that you should just swallow your pride as a man. Go and beg them. Either you go for reconciliation, beg them that let your wife return to you, or beg for them to allow you to be seeing the child. Were you not the one that sent her away? What were you expecting before? Yeah, some of you are so demonic in mind. Now all these things now let women, you know, sometimes you will see some women, they will marry, they will be suffering, they will be going through emotional torture. They cannot return back to their parents' house because the parents might not give them any form of social support, any form of support emotionally. Rather, they will add to whatever the person is going through. You understand? So I recommend the parents for what they did. They did well. You should come and collect your dowry. Marriage not be by force.